Madam Speaker, as you know, apart from serving the passengers, the Indian Railways carries coal, it carries steel, it carries cement, it carries salt, it carries food grains and fodder, and it also carries milk. Thus, Indian Railways practically carries everything and anything and everything, and it never says no to a thing if it fits to the wagons. Most importantly, we are the backbone of supply chain of the defense establishment and play a crucial role in the security of the nation. Madam Speaker, while we carry 23 million passengers a day, there are still a large number of people who have not yet set a foot on the train. We carry over 1 billion tons of freight a year, connecting ports and mines to industrial clusters, but still there are vast tracts of hinterland waiting for rail connectivity. Though freight business has grown steadily over the years, the Indian Railways carry only 31% of the total freight carried in the country by all modes. These are the challenges we have to face. Madam Speaker, an organization of this magnitude, vested with various responsibilities, is expected to earn like a commercial enterprises but serve like a welfare organization. These two objectives are like two rails of a railway track which though travel together but never meet. So far, Indian Railways have managed to do a tightrope walking by balancing these twin conflicting objectives.